In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson ME Office 960 FWD printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Okay, before you download and use these resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable for a while your antivirus, including Windows Real-Time Protection and the Temper Protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After you disable for a while your antivirus, then you can download this file. After you download this file, you can just extract file by right-clicking on the file and select Extract All and click Extract button. After that, you can open the Resettle folder, then double-click on Adjustment Programs and click Accept. Okay, you can directly go to a particular adjustment mode button here and select Post Ink Pad Counter and click OK. Don't forget to tick the boot option here, Ink Pad Counter and FL Box Counter. After that, you can click Check button. Then you can click Initialization button. After the resetting process is complete, then you can click Finish. After that, you can turn off your printer, then you can turn back on your printer again. In any case, you face error here, you need to check your printer connection with your computers, okay, and try to moving your USB printer into another available port on your computers. After that, you can try to repeat for the resetting process. And that's all tutorial how to reset Epson ME Office 960 FWD printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Hope this video helpful for you.